Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by restarting the core UI process so you can see whether the taskbar returns. Open Task Manager with Control-Shift-ESC. Once there, find Windows Explorer, right-click, and choose Restart. This forces the shell to reload and often fixes transient glitches caused by hung processes or recent updates. If that restores your taskbar, great. If not, make sure you had updates installed and proceed. Don't close Task Manager yet because we'll use it in the next steps. Next, you'll repair system files and re-register UI components to handle deeper corruption. Run PowerShell as an administrator and execute sfc/scano. Once it finishes, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health so Windows can fetch replacements. After that, re-register taskbar and shell experience host using the PowerShell commands provided in the console. This reinserts missing app registrations. If the taskbar still fails, create a temporary local admin user to check whether the problem is profile-specific before moving on. For the final recovery steps, use System Restore to roll back recent changes or perform an in-place upgrade repair from installation media if corruption persists. Both keep files while restoring system components. You can also boot to safe mode to remove recently installed drivers or apps that conflict with the shell. If you must edit the registry or run aggressive fixes, make a backup and create a restore point first. This safety step prevents permanent damage and gives you an easy rollback if anything goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.